Wow, this is a new one. Would have noticed I'd draw this guy. I haven't seen walreign since I've traveled to West Hills Day Camp. Looks like he's get. I feel like he's gonna be great on one of my creations. After April starts, I'm gonna head straight back on track. And then I'm going back to my regular routine. On this calendar, I do my designs on the top row, and for the drawing dinosaurs, I do it on the bottom row. And then vice versa. That's how it works. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
This goes out to everyone who I have met in West Hills Day Camp, and I am really sorry for running off like that when I was young. And I promise, I will be on my best behavior. I will do anything to be accepted into that camp once again. And to be honest, that camp, it's literally one of my favorites. They have the best water slide, and reminds me of Pokemon Battle Frontier and Pokemon Diamond and Pearl Galactic Battles. I feel like reliving those moments every time I go there. I'd do anything to revisit that place. I'm even drawing something up that represents my love and compassion for it. I'll show you on Twitter after it's done. God's honor. And finished. There he is. That's how you draw walreign from Pokemon Battle Frontier. And finished. There he is. That is walreign. Stegosaurus, see you later, brothers. I love you, West Hills Day Camp.